And most of the time, people do not fight the system and they leave the country. Take the easy option. For me, I have always had easy options. But a leader, and all of your future leaders, you must not accept this. You must not take the trodden path. You have to become a leader, you have to face resistance. No one has ever achieved anything if they haven't faced failures, if they haven't had disappointments, if they haven't had days when they don't want to wake up, get out of bed. No one has ever achieved anything. To achieve anything in life, you have to be prepared to take on the odds, face disappointment. But all of you do not realize that all of us, the Almighty has given tremendous strength which lies within us. You only discover that strength when you put yourself up against resistance. If you don't face resistance, that strength lies dormant within you. The moment you take on challenges, you will then start discovering the enormous strength you have in you. So when you go on the trodden path, you will never discover the strength.